Hey guys, welcome to this quick tutorial where we'll explain how you can generate a payables report in QuickBooks. So let's get started. To generate a payables report in QuickBooks, start by logging into your QuickBooks account and navigating to the Reports tab. In the search bar, type Payables or browse through the available report categories to find payables-related reports. From there, select the report that best suits your needs, such as aging payables summary or unpaid bills detail. Next, customize the report by adjusting parameters like the date range, specific vendors, or other relevant filters. Once you've set everything, click on the Run or Generate button to create the report. QuickBooks will then process the data and display the report on your screen. You can further customize it by adjusting the layout, adding or removing columns, or applying additional filters to refine the results. Finally, you can export the report to PDF or Excel, or print it directly from QuickBooks. This report is a great tool to track your outstanding bills, monitor vendor balances, and manage your payables more effectively. If you found this tutorial helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.